Okay, here we have another ratio problem. Reading part A, we've got the ratio of small cubes to large cubes in the ratio 4 to 7. Okay, that's 11 ratio parts in total. And we've got red cubes to yellow cubes in the ratio 3 to 5, which is 8 ratio parts. Now, the reason why the smallest possible number of cubes is 88 is because 88 is the smallest number that 11 and 8 both go into, and that is known as the LCM. So we're going to say that the LCM of 11 and 8 is 88. Now, on the top right of the board, I've pre-populated this question with what's known as a two-way table because I think that's the best way to explain this question. Okay, and the two-way table has small and large cubes and the red and the yellow cubes. So we know there is 88 cubes in total. Okay, now if we take our 88 and divide it by 11, we get 8. And so in relation to small cubes to large cubes, that's 4 times 8 and 7 times 8, which is 32 and 56. So we've got 32 small cubes and we've got 56 large cubes, and that adds up to 88. We're going to do a similar thing now for our red and our yellow, except we're going to go 88 divided by 8 in this case, which is equal to 11. Okay, so for our red cubes, we're going to do 3 times 11, which is 33. And for our yellow cubes, we're going to do 5 times 11, which is 55. And I'm going to populate my two-way table with that information, which is 33 and 55. So that's all adding up. That's all consistent with everything in the question so far. It says all the small cubes are yellow. Okay, so in this column here, just getting the highlighter. Everything has got to be 32. All the yellows have got to be 32. So for that reason, I can put a 32 in here. And that means the reds is 0 there. Okay. Now, looking across the yellow column here, this number must be 23. And this number must be 33. The question is, work out the least possible number of large yellow cubes in the bag. It'll take a different colour pen. That is that number there. So the answer to this question is 23. And you can't see it, but that's 3 marks. And the first part, the LCM part, was 1 mark. So 23 would score you 3 marks for a possible total of 4.